Hello guys, welcome to next video of this playlist Python for beginners. In this video we will be exploring Python message box or Tkinter message boxes. So basically message boxes are the pop-ups that normally appear in front of us when we try to submit a form. So in this video we will be exploring how we can create such message box. For that let's move to our destination folder. And this is our destination folder. Now let's open this folder in VS Code. And today is day 25 of this playlist. So let's open this file. I hope the code is visible to you. Just zoom it for you. So let's start. So this is day 25 and the title is Tkinter message box. So loading Tkinter as we already do. After that we will be importing message box method from Tkinter package, which is used to display the message boxes. Now let's move ahead. The next is def show info. This is a function that is created to display the contents of message box that will be get pop up in front of us. So the message will be normal information message, and the information message, this is just an information, and message box dot show info. So this show info method is present in message box of Tkinter package. I hope the contents of this function is clear to you. Now let's move ahead. The next is creating a window, which is the same procedure that we watched in earlier videos. After that, setting the title and setting the width and height of Tkinter window. After that, the next is button to trigger message box. So the button is declared using Tkinter or tk.button method. After that, the name of the window, which is window in our case, the text of that button will be show info, and the command that will be get fired is the show info method. After that we will pack it so that the button will be visible on the screen. And the last is windows.menu, which is used to run the program continuously until we press close button on Tkinter window. So this was a basic understanding of the code. I hope the code is very easy. Now let's run the program to check the output. So as you can see, this is output of this code, and as soon as I click on this button, this information message will get appear in front of you, which is information. This is an information message which is derived from this. The title is information and this is an information message. So you can simply click OK or close to close this window, and after that you can also click on this close button to close this Tkinter window. So this was a very basic introduction to message boxes of Tkinter. In Tkinter there are various types of message boxes available, such as danger, alert, or just normal information that we have seen just now. So this was all about today's video. If you like this video, then don't forget to share it with your family and friends. Also, if you face any queries while running this code, or if you have any doubts related to Tkinter message boxes or something related to this playlist, you can simply message me on Instagram or comment section below. Also, this is just a small part of Tkinter. You can directly go to the Tkinter documentation and explore about each method in depth. Here comes the end of this video. Thanks for watching this video.